Okay. There we go. Shout out Yondo. I don't know you, but this is a fire beat. So, appreciate you. Yeah. They scared of us, ain't no comparison. I'll use the shortcut if he'll take care of us. Hit the gym till I look like Spartacus. Tell the fake bitches they can go and hit the bus. My last meal was salmon and brock. Screaming Godspeed to my fam like that nigga Spock. On a galactic adventure to cover the planet. Guy let me down, so I'm screaming, goddamn it. I'm a beast in a human body, yeah, I'm itching the trick. So I keep that wood under my feet. All I know is wins, I don't see defeat. I don't smile for free, you know the mob gon' creep. R.I.P. to my nigga Lil Pete. Yeah. Feels like I knew you before. Uncommitted, my heart goes to no whore. Can't explain how my body is sore, but I'll exfoliate the evil from my pores. I'm like a fountain of light in this great world. You can catch the hands if you touch my baby girl. Destined to caress her, man, I'm talking about tits. Leave her shaking in the bed as her tongue a click. I realize the trick, create your own market. Expand with your mans with rubber bands in your pocket. She sucks on my glizzy, know the world fucks with me. You can catch the fade if you fuck with my Lizzie. Get the lover you want, not the one that you need. Need my sore muscles while she down on her knees. Play the game, change the game via radio plays. Get plays, get laid. My rhymes over DJ Hayes. Took a bath to relax my growing muscles. Sip the rose, listening to Nipsey Hussle. Got mad at the bitch cause she came too quick, but in love anyway cause she came on my dick. Negativity and doubt, I had to divorce ya. My spirit got turned on by beats by Porsche. Gonna fuck the game up, gas distort ya. Don't smoke the imports, quick to extort ya. Global takeover over some wontons. If I got problems, I'm calling up Big John. Iron sharpens iron, my sword ready to slay. Her voice gave me chills, I want to track with Ray. I do this creative shit with super mad ease. She wants my bread and I'm like, bitch please. Took a deep breath to extend my chest. Relapse back the weed, it brings out my best. From the D that I see, cold like the Midwest. Took you back to swimming laps in the back of Rolling Crest. Learned on the quick life ain't what it seems. Work jobs that you hate to make them ends meet. Do that shit with a smile, seems pretty obscene, but it's the only way to accomplish a dream. I could wish for a bitch to lay and play in my locks. Old bitch on my line, tell her to kick rocks. Take that saxophone, shove it where the sun ain't shown. Niggas know my Steez game stay too damn cold. Don't need no cosign, I'm designed to rhyme. Unleash the fire dragon, my pleasure craves divine. Quietly grown as you stroke my hair. I call you baby, cause you sleep with a bear. Me being a teddy, but only love for my fetty. Now I'm drained for your games and my heart is heavy. Taking the distance needed so I won't break. Enjoy yourself, playing with the snakes. I look her in the eye, she say pick your poison. In love with your soul, but I hate your choices. Entranced by your dance and your body jostling real live. I think you're better off with him. You can't evolve a cog addicted to the machine. Don't joke with the hoes, my black rose is clean, yeah. They once called me the emotional emancipator. We dance in a trance, then with a kiss, see you later. Your movements hurt my heart tenfold. Unrequited affections again a sinful. You thought I was trapped when you're wrong. Fuck. Oh shit, okay. You thought I was trapped, but you're wrong. I heard you got slapped, I went and made a song. Screaming motherfuck the feds and the boys in blue. Cranking up my views, being paid by YouTube. The content creator, universal negotiator. I slide through a city doing shows for the paper. And I'm not doing that shit over. I don't fucking care.
If you write anything on your computer, you need to get Grammarly.
I write pretty much all day.
I'm fucking tired.
Grammarly makes my writing better.
I'm not doing that shit over.
I like that.
I might do it. Chicago. Oh, how could one track be so hard, bro? One take. I'm not doing this shit twice, y'all. One fucking take. Real life, I'm trying to body the squad. Bitch, it might be sacrilegious. You should fuck with a god. I'm the Zeus of this booth, bitch. Rude with a noose. Lick juice from a coop. Bedroom sounding like a Zeus. He say go ape with a cape. It's a bird, it's a plane, a super mob on the mic, and he going insane. Keep my chick on the leash. Guess I'm getting the train. Taking shots of the cracking cause it numbs the pain. I'm an eater of beats. Bet I'm hungry as fuck. You the leader of seats. No one of your numbers is stuck on 000. No one colder than me. Yeah, anything I touch simply comes with the heat. Super pleased with my steez. I'm the ocean breeze. Brace for impact if I touch the keys. Bare knuckles going ham, trying to make you bleed. I can make it say cheese soon as I speak. Thank you so much, Chimp Spanner, for making that. And it's called Mobius Part 3. And I feel like that was made just for me. Like, I know that obviously, like, you just created it because you felt like it. But I feel like it's made, like, just for me. Like, that was tight. Excuse me.